Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top favorites from last year. So this is going to be 20 favorites from the year 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload, but also my videos will show up in your subscription box, which is so much fun and I really would appreciate it. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I've been filming these videos for a while now and I love them. I think it's such a fun way to look back on the year in a very positive note. I know 2020 was a rough year. I'm feeling it too, you guys. So I am just wishing you guys all a very happy new year. Happy 2021. This is the first video on my channel of the new year, so I'm really excited. As you guys might be able to tell with all the pink, my hashtag 45 days of pink challenge has started on my Instagram. So if you check it out, it's just like Kellyprepster. You can use my hashtag 45 days of pink and share your pink outfit, pink nails, whatever it may be, and I will be reposting them on my Instagram story, so definitely check it out. But I'm also sharing 45 pink outfits up until Valentine's Day, so definitely go check it out. But let's just get right into this video. So I made a list. They're in no particular order, but I scrolled through all my social medias. I scrolled through like my photo album, like what was I loving all year. And I'm really excited because I feel like I have like such a random list, but like that's the best part, is because I found so many new things that I like. So the first one, and this one I feel like I talk about a lot, and it is my Teddy Blake handbag. So I got this at the beginning of 2020. Absolutely love this. I've been partnering up with Teddy Blake for a while, and I got this gorgeous black leather handbag sent to me and I have been using it nonstop. I love this little zipper compartment on the back because I just slide my phone into it. If you guys would like to see an updated what's in my purse with this bag, since I use it so much, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It's so heavy because there's so much stuff in it, but I love all the gold hardware on it. It has a nice like over the shoulder strap. It also has like this little handle that you can carry it, but I just feel like it really adds so much to any of my outfits because I feel like it's kind of mature looking, but it's also like fun and kind of sassy with like the little details and everything. So this was definitely my top favorite from the year. These are in no particular order, but like this one I just like saw over and over again in my photo album that I'm like, okay, it made it. It made the list. The next thing that I wanted to share with you guys is my pink Shein winter coat. So if you guys scroll through my Instagram, you probably have seen this a lot, plus I wear it a ton. And it's just like this really long coat and it's like a dusty pink color. Absolutely love it. I got this scarf at Ann Taylor and I like never take it off the coat because I think it pairs so well. I'll insert some pictures on the screen so you can see all of it, but I just got this in a size small. And the funniest story about it is the button. So this button did not originally come with the coat. I was on a date with my boyfriend and the button just came off because it wasn't like sewed on all the way, and it was such a funny story just with how it happened. And I had this extra button and I feel like this button just like amplifies the coat so much because it's such an extreme like fun button because it's like so detailed and everything, which I feel like I just have so many fun memories in this coat and I love it and I wear it all the time, and it's so on brand with it being so pink. The next thing is a completely different season. It is one of my summer favorites that I wore on repeat, and they are my Cork Heels from Just Fab. I love these so much. So I have them in every color. I have them in white, pink, black, and cork. And I noticed in the summertime I wore these the most because they were such a neutral and they just went with every summer dress or skirt or whatever I was wearing. And I just think they're so cute. They have like little gold hardware on them. So cheap, but I talk about this every time I mention it. They're so comfortable to wear because they have like little padding in here, so it like doesn't even feel like you're wearing heels, and I feel like it just amps up any outfit. Another summer favorite that I had to share are my favorite jean shorts. I wore these every single day this summer, like no shame. I was an outfit repeater, wore these repetitively, and I don't know, like I don't have the link for them because I got them 2 summers ago and just never wore them the first summer. They are surprisingly from Shein. I'm starting to really like Shein's denim, so if you guys are interested in checking them out, I would highly recommend it. I did wear these so much that it's kind of like fading a little bit, like the ruffles and stuff, but they looked really cute new. Like I'm hoping I can find the exact same pair and order them again because I absolutely love these shorts and I feel like they were just like my staple piece this summer. Then I have one that I've had for I guess 2 years now, which sounds silly. It is my Hydro Flask. I did just get the pink lid for it in like September, and oh my goodness, again, it's so on brand because it's pink, but I cannot say enough good things about my Hydro Flask. Yes, they are super expensive. Do you need it? No, but they're so nice, especially if you're a fitness junkie like I am. They keep your drink ice cold, which is awesome. I can put ice in it when I go to bed and wake up and the ice is still there. I keep it on my nightstand. I have the 32 ounce one, and then I have like the little straw lid, which I notice makes a big difference because I love drinking out of a straw. So I just love this. I feel like I stay hydrated so much, so I highly recommend this, and I just had to include it in my favorites. The next thing is another clothing item, which you guys are probably like, okay Kelly, we've seen this so much. I'll insert some pictures, and it is my pink maxi dress that I wore all summer long. I thought this was so cute. I got it in green. I'm a big believer, if you like something, get it in every color. And I never really wore maxi dresses except for like my high school prom, and even like one of the proms that I went to, I didn't even wear a long dress just because I'm so short. Yet this one just like changed my opinion on that. I love it. It had the cutest, hold on, it's backwards, the little like bow sleeves, so like little bows would sit here, which I felt like was so girly, and it was just like a nice stretchy knit top, and then it just flared out, and it was so flattering. Absolutely love it. So again, I do have it in green, as you guys might be able to tell in the pictures, but I love this dress, and I'm so excited for the spring and summer to wear it again. Then I also had to share with you guys my perfume that I've been wearing a ton this year, and it is my Gucci Guilty perfume. Oh my gosh, this is my second bottle of it. If that doesn't say something, I don't know. Like, I am obsessed. I wear this all the time. I like want it to be my signature scent because I love it so much. Plus the packaging is just so stunning. It's so pretty, and it just smells so good. And then, like I mentioned, being a fitness junkie, of course I had to share my favorite pair of leggings, but also too, with like the whole quarantine and stuff, I feel like I did wear leggings a lot more last year than I usually do. So I got my wear out of my Lululemon Align leggings. I love these so much. Again, another item that's ridiculously expensive but worth the splurge. So they just have really flattering details on them. I am only 5'4", and I think I got like the short version. I'm not really sure how that goes. I think they're like the 7/8 length, so they fit me like a regular pair of leggings, which I love because a lot of my leggings I have to roll up a little bit, which is fine, but it's just like that thing, like I wish I was a little bit taller. So I love these leggings. I had to include them. I wear them to work out. I wear them around the house. Super comfy, and I just can't say enough good things about Lululemon leggings. And then of course, while we're talking about Lululemon, I pulled out my favorite sports bra. I know this sounds so silly, but I really wore this a lot this year, and it's beautiful like baby pink, but I love it because it has this like little cross on the back, which a lot of my workout shirts that I got this year were like open back and stuff, that I needed to wear really cute sports bras with it. So this one was really fun, super comfy, and I would wear this underneath like sweatshirts on lounge days as well, just because why not. And then I have another clothing item, and I recently talked about this in one of my videos. I will try my best to insert a card in case you guys want to check it out, but it is this tan yoga sweater. So I again wore this so much last year, but I also just love it. So it has the prettiest little details on the top, and I think I'm just like starting to love all the little things in life, you know? So this color is stunning. It's one of my favorite colors to wear during the winter. I think it blends really well with pink. I have an outfit planned for this, but I'm like waiting. I'm like, I need to wear it on a day that I'm actually gonna like see someone, you know what I mean? Like, you have to save your outfits for like those days. I hope I'm not the only one who thinks like that, but super cute. I love this. I don't really know where it's from, but here is the label in case you guys want to do some research. But I just think it's so pretty. Love it. I wear it all the time. Funny story, I went to France at the beginning of January last year, and it was just like a winter break before the whole pandemic and everything, and I didn't pack any sweaters except for this one. Like, I didn't even pack a sweatshirt with me. So of course your girl was wearing this on repeat, but I had to stay warm because it was like winter and it was freezing. So then with the whole pandemic going on, mask, I think, you know, you gotta make them fashionable. So I got this Lily Pulitzer one. I will put the Instagram Etsy shop on the screen for you guys. But talk about a game changer. I think they're so fun. There's so many fun different styles you can get in everything. So I think it's just, again, making the most of something. And I think this one is so cute. So I love it. I just had to share it with you guys, and I've been wearing this on repeat since I got it, but just having fun and colorful masks has been a game changer. Another thing that has changed because of the pandemic is my nail routine. So I never really was a huge nail salon person, but at the same time it was nice to get it done occasionally. I started off the year with a shellac manicure and then wasn't able to get it off. which was quite a struggle, but you know, your girl figured it out. And then I also fell into the binge of gel manicures like at home, and I got this set for Christmas because the last one they would keep like peeling off, and all my vlogs from last year I would just go on about how like I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So I got this new set, and it's from the brand Beetles. I got this for Christmas, and I know I just got this, but gel manicures at home. And I currently painted my nails the shade 616 from their brand. I will have a link down below because there was 20 different colors in the Etsy box, which I thought was such a steal. And I love this hot pink color. I feel like it's so pretty, and it's stayed on for a week so far. I haven't had any hiccups with it, so I am really, really impressed. Another thing that I wore on repeat for 2020 was my Petite Rose Gold Daniel Wellington watch. I know, I said rose gold, like who am I? I'm a huge yellow gold girl, but this one is just so cute. So usually I'll wear like my yellow gold on this arm and then have my rose gold over here, but I just think it's so cute. I love how petite it is because, hold on, my Kate Spade watch, which is yellow gold, and the one that I would wear repetitively, like look at the size difference of this. Now there's nothing wrong with it, I just like really got onto the tiny petite trend and I love it. And then another thing that I love, this is the last like physical item that I have to share with you guys, is my first sewing creation, which again, because of the pandemic, your girl got into sewing, and which is really fun. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later, but this is like the first thing I made, so bear with me. It's like not the best thing ever, but like in my eyes I'm like, oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. And this is what I made. I love it. It's my new profile picture on Instagram, which I'll insert a picture over here. But I had this vision of a two-tone t-shirt, pink and red, because I love the colors together, and I made it. So I just think this is so cool. Again, if I could remake it, there's a lot of things that I learned how to do differently, like hemming, and then like the collar needs a little bit of work, but it's so cute. I love it. So I'm really excited to dabble into sewing more this year, but it's like that really cool thing, like if you put your mind into something, you can do it. So I love this. But anyways, like I mentioned, I'm also very grateful for my sewing machine. I love it. So I picked up my sewing machine, which was so hard to get a hold of because right when I like got this inspiration to start sewing, there was the mask craze where like everyone was starting to make masks, which like I tried to do that. I'm still working on it, so be sure to check out my Etsy. It's linked down below. But I was like, I want to make like my own clothes. Like I think that'd be so cool. So I finally got a hold of a craft store that had a sewing machine. I managed to get it on sale somehow, which I was like, okay, and picked it up and then just went crazy with it. Like I watched sewing tutorials, so I'm like totally self-taught, but it's so much fun. And it's just like such a fun experience, and I'm really excited to spend more time with it. But that definitely was one of my favorite purchases from 2020. Another thing that I've been loving, again, that was a little bit of a purchase, was my blog. So I finally got the Kellyprepster.com domain. My brother gifted it to me the Christmas before 2020 going into it, and thankfully like a weird positive of being quarantined and having so much time was I had time to actually make my blog, which I love. I really am going to get back on my blog game. Finals wiped me out in November and December, but I'm really excited because you guys are seriously so supportive and like just are always there. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So definitely check out my blog if you haven't already, and definitely subscribe. But then I also wanted to mention another thing that I did during quarantine, and I've been continuing it, but I've always kind of done it, is working out. So during quarantine I did an at-home workout program called P90X, and it was so intense. It was an hour a day, which I'm not like a huge hour a day workout person. It's because it's a really big chunk of time, but I really loved it. I felt like I got such great results with it. But then once the gyms opened back up, I've been going back to spin class, which I've been doing spin class for 2 years, where it's just like indoor cycling, and absolutely love it. And I wear my mask and everything in class, and it's all socially distanced, which I'm so grateful it's back open. It's like the one thing that keeps me sane. And then I just have 3 more things to share with you guys from 2020. And the next one is my podcast with my boyfriend John, Call You Later podcast. So the idea came together last year, and during quarantine we made it happen, which again, it was one of the weird things, like without the whole pandemic, I don't know if it would have happened just because of how much time we were able to invest in it, which I'm like so grateful for. So we're relaunching that tomorrow morning on January 4th at 6 a.m. So definitely check it out. We're doing a live stream tonight, so if you're watching this on Sunday, definitely check it out. I will have everything linked down below in case you guys want to. I'm so excited about that. And then I have 2 more things, and the second one is school related. So if you guys don't know, I'm like a graphic designer, like art degree major, and I love it. it. So during 2020, my two favorite classes were my web design class. It was so cool because that class was taught solely online, which I've never taken online classes before, and it was just so well done that it made it onto my top list. And I also loved my design class where we learned about like the spacing and everything, and it was just so enjoyable for me that it's like, wow, this is what I really like to do. So of course I had to share that. And then my last favorite is another silly one, and they are smoothie bowls. They're so yummy. Again, it was a lot of like takeout smoothie bowls and go like have a picnic at the park just because of how different the world is currently, but it was so much fun. But it was just a fun way to treat yourself but also have a healthy meal during a weird time in the world. So those are my 20 favorites from 2020. I would love to hear about your favorites from last year. Be sure to let me know. If you have anything in common, I think that'd be awesome. But I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. I hope you're having a great start to your new year. Happy 2021. Fingers crossed it's a lot better. But I mean, 2020 was still a good year. We just had to find the positive in everything. But again, if you're new to my channel and haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys back here very soon with my next video. Bye guys!